I'd like to tell you what the Lord did for me. This is one of my favorite testimonies. I was coming in one night from the Navajo reservation coming through Farmington, and the police pulled me over because my little pickup truck had no tail lights, no stop lights. And they wrote me a ticket, and he said, if you get this taken care of in the next 2 days and can prove it to us that it's taken care of, we will delete the ticket. Well, I didn't have much money. I had $70 to my name. The ministry I was in was pretty much a faith ministry. I didn't have regular supporters. I didn't know when the next dollar would ever show up, if ever. But the next day, with my $70, I went to the local auto parts store, and I bought a whole bunch of wire crimping things and gadgets to be able to try to fix the taillights on my own. And it cost me $35. I'm laying underneath my truck, and I look out to the highway I was in Aztec, New Mexico at the time. Looked out to the highway, and there was this Hispanic fellow that was walking up the road headed towards Colorado. And I felt like the Lord said to me, go talk to him. So I approached him and found out that he had left his family in Mexico, that he was in the United States looking for work. And I asked him if he wanted a meal. Could I provide a meal for him? It was later in the afternoon. I asked if he would like a place to stay for the night. He declined both. And I felt like the Lord said, give him all the rest of your money, which would have made him $35 richer and me zero money. I would absolutely have no money to my name and would not know when the next dollar was going to show up. Well, I gave him the rest of my money. He went on his way, and I finished my job, fixed up the taillights. They all worked. By the way, that was my introduction to goat head thorns. When I crawled down there on that ground to climb under that truck, oh, that was a porcupine pincushion. But that's another story. Anyway, when I went to the post office with my now fixed truck, lo and behold, in the mail was a check for $70. The same amount of money that I had started out with in the morning, but now I had a fixed pickup truck. There was a fellow out looking for work that had $35 to his name, and I had $70 in my pocket. Isn't the Lord wonderful? That's one of my funnest testimonies.